Right, this is a test to see if the ESC and motor combo fail again like they did yesterday. So I'm going to run it for 5 minutes on various throttle settings and we'll see what happens. I'm also going to monitor the battery, which is now fully charged. It's the same battery I had in. I'll monitor the battery on the individual cells. I'll go through them as it's running. We'll see. Anyway, let's get outside. The battery's not connected and see how we get on.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
Okay. Tuck that in. There's always a delay in it starting. Start. I've got a timer on the transmitter anyway. That's interesting, guys. Just went to full throttle and now with the throttle shut it won't switch off. Let's close the trim, see what happens. No. Alright, put that back. Now I'm just going to open the throttle again. Now it's jumping to full throttle with the throttle shut and then it drops again. So let's so the motor should have switched off now, but it hasn't. And all that after only 3 minutes. So I think we'll disconnect the motor and feel the temperature of the ESC. Very odd, wasn't it? In fact, let's have a quick check of the alright, it's got 70%. Something very strange there. Admittedly, I haven't got the airflow that I would have over the ESC because it's not flying, but it'd be interesting to feel it. Oh, yes, that's very hot. And the motor's pretty hot too. Yeah, I can just about keep my thumb on it. So I've got a big air hole in the front. But I would have thought it should have continued to perform. Battery is just feel the temperature, although I doubt that's going to tell us very much. No, it's barely warm. In fact, before I go in, as it's been probably 5 minutes now since the experiment, I'm going to just see if the motor will run again. Minus prop this time.
Throttle warning. Switch warning.
There's always a there we go. It's working properly now. Okay. Will it do it with a no cowl on? Actually, I'm going to try running the same experiment without the cowl on. And I can watch the timer go on the front there, so here we go. There we go, after 1 minute it's like reset itself. That's interesting. That's even with the cowl off. And the ESC is still pretty warm. I can touch it at least. Okay. That's very odd. Let's just have a quick check of the capacity. $70.